In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a portfolio account in Classkick via the Google Classroom. So first, you're going to access your Google Classroom account and then click on the Classwork tab and locate the Classkick link that has been assigned to you by your teacher. In this case, I assigned this for my class, and you will see it says Classkick Pro. There is a class code, name, you have login or sign up. It's our first time to create our portfolio account, so you're going to click on sign up, and that should bring us to 3 different ways of signing up. You can do it via sign up with Google, sign up with Clever, or sign up with a username or email. In our case, we are going to sign up with Google. Make sure you use your school address. Now, once you've clicked it, you should be brought to this page, to your first assignment for our demonstration. So welcome to your official Classkick account. You are asked to write your name in color blue. How do we do that? Okay, we're going to use our pen mode. No, our text box. Sorry. We're going to use our text box tool, the one highlighted in blue. Okay, click on it, and then you should be able to create a text box below the instructions. There you go. And then once you have created the text box, you're going to type your name inside the text box as per instruction. So I would write Marie Geraldine, and then I would highlight my name, and the instruction says turn to color blue. So I'm going to locate on the top right hand corner, see the text color. That's it. I'm going to click it, and then once you click it, it would show you the different color palette that you can choose. So it says blue, so I'm going to choose blue, and there you go. My name is Marie Geraldine. Is it even blue? It looks blue to me. Okay, now next, click on the right arrow to bring you to the next slide, where you are asked to solve for x in the equation 2x minus 8 is equal to 5. Okay, you are asked to submit your response in 3 ways: using the pen tool, using the camera, and using the mic tool. Okay, first, where is our pen tool? How do we access our pen tool? Let us first erase the blue there for our text box, and then highlight our pen there at the side. Looks like pen. It should be very visible on your end when you're looking at it on the computer. So that is our pen mode. And then choose the color for the pen. I'm going to choose black. And then I'm going to start solving the equation 2x minus 8 is equal to 5. Okay, I'm going to add 8 to both sides of the equal sign. Y plus 8, because plus 8 is the inverse operation of minus 8. And I'm able to cancel minus 8 plus 8. That should give me 0. I don't have to write 0. I'll just have to bring down 2x equals 5 plus 8 equals 13, and then solve both sides by solve for x by dividing both sides by 2, the coefficient of x, and that should give me 6.5 or 6.5. Now, if you notice, if there might be some difficulty in using the pen tool when you don't have an iPad or a mouse. That's why there is another option to show your work, which is solve the problem on a different piece of paper or in your notebook, and then take a photo of your solution using the camera tool. Okay, so suppose this is my notebook. I'm going to highlight and then take a picture of it and then upload it in my take a picture of it, and then I'm going to use the camera on the top of the slide or the online whiteboard. Okay, so the camera here on top, let's highlight that. That's it. That's our camera tool. Okay, once you click on it, it should allow us to upload our photo from the computer. So click on that and then choose the photo that you would like to upload, our solution. Okay, and then open, next, and then finish. Okay, there you go. That appears our solution, assuming that is our handwritten solution from our notebook. Once you click on the image, you can now expand or reduce the image and drag it to the location where you would like to put it. And here we go. I'm going to put it in this side, and voila, we have just uploaded our solution using the camera tool. Now, the third way is to explain your solution verbally using the mic tool. Okay, see this in green, the tool beside the camera, that's your mic tool. Click on it and it should bring you to there. It should bring you the camera, the mic tool, and then you can start recording. And then you can stop and then save it. And once you save it, it should appear on our whiteboard. Okay? The explanation should include how you obtained your x, and then how you determined that x equals 6.5 is really the solution to the equation 2x minus 8 is equal to 5. In other words, when you are giving your solution via your mic tool or verbally, you must be detailed in explaining what you did, so that the teacher who's listening to your solution can understand what is in your mind, what went through your mind, the process behind. Okay? So now we're done with our recording. Here we go. Voila. Here's our solution. We can drag it and put it somewhere, and we can listen to what we recorded. Okay. And the recording is an authentic solution. I would know, or the teacher would know, that you are really the one solving the problem, and that it would also tell me or the teacher your level of understanding or your misconceptions in solving a particular problem. Okay. Now let's move on to the next slide. It says use the selector tool to drag the emoticons and arrange them from most favorite to least favorite. Okay, so we're going to use the selector tool, which is basically our arrow, our cursor. Okay, drag your images. In this case, it's our cute emoticons. Okay, drag them according to most favorite to least favorite. Okay, what would be my most favorite here? Okay, like this. Let me put this in my most favorite. And then you seem overwhelmed, so you are there at the end. And the little, there you go. It's a lot of numbers, so cute. The other one is so happy. So I put it there. Third is the 2 plus 3 equals 5. And then the last one, poor guy, overwhelmed with reading and math. Okay, there you go. So we have just practiced how to use our selector tool. Let's now move on to the last slide. Yay, congratulations, your exit ticket. You just completed your task for your exit task. Type in the text box one word to describe how you feel about Classkick. How do I feel about Classkick? Okay, so I'm going to type in how I'm feeling right now. I'm happy with Classkick. There you go. And that completes our demonstration on how to use Classkick in class. Thank you.